Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Lukedaboss here, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys a little review. A lot of people have been asking what I use to edit my videos, and today I'm going to be showing you. I use a program called Shotcut. It's right up there, as you can see. Enter Shotcut right there. It's what I use. So it's a pretty easy program. I've been using it for years now. Literally, you'll just input a video, and then you'll go down here and you can do a video and you insert audio track. You insert the video right there, and then once you're here you can add filters to it. You just hit the little plus that was right there. You go export and you'll hit the plus right there, and you can click video, audio, and you can have favorites on what you use the most. So mainly I do rotate and scale, so it zooms in on you, your face, and everything. I also add little audio clips in. You click here, and you can tell it's super loud in the beginning. I don't know if you guys can tell, but for me, it's super loud in the beginning. It will bring it all the way down here. You just slide it all the way down to here until it's connected. It's in the video now, and then I'll play it. I'll click this so I can tell the volume is super loud. So I'll go to gain slash volume. I'll bring it all the way down, and now the volume is very low, but it's very slight, but you can still hear it. And then I'll go to the video tab and I will add like text on it. So normally it shows up right on the bottom. It's on the, okay, that's why. Hold on, let me copy this. This is also how you copy it here. Copy the filter. You click here, and I can paste it with this button. Oh, that's copying. Sorry guys. You'll copy it with this button. Go here, and you can paste it with the other button. And you see it pops on the screen. I need to delete this one out of here. To delete, you just hit that. You see text I type in popped up. Brisk. We'll just type in brisk. I do normally the middle. And you can edit it like this. Sometimes it won't let you move it around. Say it won't let you move it. It won't let you. I'm still figuring out on how to rotate it at the moment, because you know I only really got into editing my videos recently. You change the font color, you can turn all that red, change it to like the color of the brisk or something. You can add distortions to the video. Where's the distort at? Probably in the D section. Distort, and you see it's a distortion of the video. I don't like it wavy, so I bring the velocity down. See, and then you play the final project. I don't know why it's not playing any of my desktop volume when I play my desktop volume. Okay, I think that should be good. And you see the final video. We'll bring it all the way back. Play it.
You already know. We got the brisk boy. Send me a sponsor. Hit me up.
See, it's very simple process. And then whenever you want to save it, you go to export. And what I normally do, there's a whole bunch of things that go through here. It asks you like, what do you want in 1080p 30 frames per second, 1080p 50 frames, all of this stuff. What I do is I just click on the YouTube. You go to advanced, and it brings up this. This is all about the video. Like I have it as 1280 and 720 resolution. I have it at 50 frames a second. You go here and you look at everything. It's very, very simple process. And whenever you're done, you just hit export file. Type in a name. I'm not going to type in a name because why would it? Actually, I will. I'll just cancel it. You'll hit save, and we'll pop up over here. Okay, I'm just going to stop this because I don't need this video. But when it's done, there'll be a green check mark next to it. And yeah, that's about it for this. I just wanted to give you guys a short example on how I edit my videos and everything. It's not that complicated. It's just a little bit. You might need some work like practicing it, But that's about it. That's mainly all I do to make my videos and everything. But yeah, there'll be a video out today. I just wanted to make this little video for you guys showing you what I do to record. I mean, what I do for my video process, like how I edit them and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, YouTube.